what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ, and we back at it like an addict. So, see what we looking at. It's a 2017 Nissan Sentra. 2017 Nissan Sentra. First things first, happy Monday to everybody. I haven't done this in a while, but y'all see me and Subi right here. So let me go in here and get a mileage check. I'm gonna start doing this every Monday, at least once a week. If it's not Monday, but at least try to do it once a week. So we got to give y'all a mileage update. Y'all see 142864. I'm gonna pin this at the top comment along with the membership thing. And I want y'all to start posting y'all mileage. So we're gonna come back. I'm gonna try to do every Monday where we're checking. I just want to see how much miles you putting on the car. So that's how many miles I got. I'm gonna check and see how many miles I put on the car in a week. I don't really drive that much. I'm really just go pick my kids up, auction, and then to the lot. I don't really move around. So I'm gonna see how many miles I actually put on my car in a week. And let me know y'all mileage, and then we just start tracking, just seeing, mileage little check. Drop it in the comments. Whoever car got the most miles on, I might pin that one, and then we'll keep pinning that one every week and just seeing how far we can get that person the mileage up there. But we're gonna look at this Sentra. Let's take a look at it. It is missing. It's got good tires on it. It looked like it's a little bit out of a line. Like I kind of felt a little bit out of a line. It felt like it was a little bit out of a line, just a little bit, but that ain't nothing. Just get nothing to get it a line. It's got good tires on it. Good tires all the way around. Missing hubcaps on this side, so maybe they hit a bump or something, but it don't really look like they hit nothing. But it looked like they kind of something side swiped them. So maybe they side swiped and knocked the car out of a little line or messed up a tie rod end. It's missing some hubcaps, but I ain't tripping because I'm gonna take those hubcaps off and I'm gonna put these hubcaps on that I put on this other Nissan. These black hubcaps that make the car, that's gonna make that black on black look good. But these are I gotta air this tire up. But yeah, see, these are black hubcaps right there. Gonna throw those on there, make this car look it's gonna make it look way better. But it's a 2017. I picked it up for $1,700. It does need a door handle. It's a lot of wires in there, probably because it's got that little sensor on it. It is very dirty, but it has 130. Got a tire pressure light on, so I get all my tires checked when I get to the line. This little error light is on because it's saying key not detected, but the car started just fine. So I gotta see exactly why that's saying the key system error. Then I gotta go to the salvage yard and get some new one of these. And I'll probably just buy this offline, but I can just get this off the salvage yard. But maybe if I can get it all at the salvage yard, they got something like this. Because then gotta get it cleaned up because person look like they just threw stuff, just riding and driving and just throwing stuff to the side. But yeah, they broke this down. So as you can see, it's got like clips right there. So I gotta go get that so I can put this back up there. This does have a crack in the windshield. That's about $170. They did keep the oil changed up because the next oil change is at 135,241. So as you can see, it's at 130 on the miles. So, but yeah, it does have a crack in the windshield. Got to get that replaced. Gonna need to get detailed. This little miscellaneous stuff, this ain't nothing. That's a little miscellaneous. That's nothing. Probably while I'm at the salvage yard, if they got one out there, I'll grab this little piece as well, just to cover it up. Grab this little piece as well. Oh, it's right here. Don't even have to do that. Piece right there, so we'll put that up. Got a lot of hangers. They was drinking their water though. Person stayed hydrated. So it's crazy that, you go get gas, you can just throw these bottles out at the gas station. All this stuff you could have just, when you go stop and get gas, just throw all that trash in the thing. You already got to sit there at least a couple minutes to pump your gas, at least 1 or 2 minutes. But other than that, there's really no no damage to the car. Besides this little side swipe over here, you know, but maybe this can get like buffed out. Maybe they can just kind of like buff that out or something. Maybe the detail shop. Other than that, get the door handles and the little miscellaneous stuff fixed. It's gonna make somebody a good car. And, you know, I could post this up there for like 50. I'm like 5,500. You know, that's what I'm thinking, like 5,500, because it is a 2017. Only 130 on the miles, and you're gonna have a brand. The windshield really don't really matter because headlights look like they kind of been through some stuff. Like this one was like this side been sitting out in the sun a little bit more. Like the sun started baking that one up. So that one looks all nice. But I think 5,500 is a fair deal on the 2017. I'm gonna see if I can get this door handle offline, because maybe this door handle is the reason why this key sensor is not working. Maybe. Does this have a backup camera? I'm not sure. Does this have a backup camera? Didn't even check. Okay, so you do got a backup camera. You got Bluetooth. Got an eco, got a sports mode. But other than that, like I said, one little detail, oil change and alignment. Probably don't even need an oil change. I'll check. I mean, the oil was clean in here, but I mean, so it probably doesn't even need an oil change, because you can see. But I can definitely get it aligned, because I felt like it was a little bit out of line. Windshield, minor little stuff. Take it to the detail shop, have them clean this up, put that little piece on. And like I said, easy 5,500, you know. Cause what are they gonna complain about? Because it's gonna be a line, you're gonna have good tires, you're gonna have a new windshield. I'm gonna get all those. I'm gonna go to the salvage yard, get those little miscellaneous parts. So I might just sell it now, or I might just hold it to tax time just to capitalize out the money. Because who knows, I might throw it up there for $6,000 during tax time. You know, might throw it up there for $6,000, so then I don't have to worry about, you know, maybe somebody has the money right now, or they're waiting for the money. Maybe I'll just wait till that time. But then during tax time, somebody really gets the car that they want for a good price. You know, I'm really thinking that's probably what I end up doing. I'll probably just go ahead and fix the little miscellaneous stuff. Park it next to the Kia Optima. Probably start at least. I want to at least have at least seven cars exclusively just for tax time. You know, if I end up getting more, but I want to have at least seven exclusively. So I'll probably put this one to the side, the Kia Optima. Show y'all this Hyundai Genesis in a video. Probably put that one to the side as well. And probably the Range Rover, the Mercedes, and the BMW SUV. So that's already what, like 5 already. But let's get y'all one more walk around of this thing, and y'all let me know, is 5,500 a good price? I believe it. I believe that's really a deal at 5,500. You getting a 2017 at 5,500 with 130 on the miles, good rubber. That one, you know, you gotta get that slow. Let me know, should I get this tint redone too? Cause cause see that bubble right there, that bubbly tint, don't really like that. Cause I know you put some fresh, like 10%, like 15% tint on there, make it really just black it out, like black, you know, just get the tint on there and just black out everything. Just look, cause it's already just running, it's quiet, it's already ready. So I'm thinking, like, if I just go put the little tint on there, you know, when I get the windshield put in there, you know, maybe spend another $100 or so, because, you know, here in Oklahoma, it's not that much to tint a car. It's like 110, you know, it's like $110 to tint a car. So it'd be like $250 altogether. So I'll probably get that redone just so that tint don't look so bubbly. So when somebody come by, it looks all fresh and clean. Definitely go get the door handle. Shouldn't be that hard. It's probably like a little sensor or something. Then figure out why that key warning light is on. Fix that. And we're gonna be ready to go. Cause look, the seats ain't got no rips or tears in them. Like no rips, no tears, just dirty. So. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We got videos dropping. And the videos are dropping because my daughter, you know, shout out to her. Shout out to my daughter. She, on my birthday, she ended up, last month on my birthday, she was like, oh, Daddy, why you don't drop videos like that? And then she wrote me a she drew me out a little picture. She said, happy birthday. And then it had the number of subscribers. And I'm like, she was like, oh, you almost at, 5,000. I was like, yeah, you're right. I need to drop some videos. So she, she upped the grind. So shout out to my daughters. Shout out to them. I appreciate everybody for rocking. Let me know in the comment section below. And we out this piece.